It seems that you are kind of sleepy today, right? Okay, hope you're having a good morning. Let's start. We're gonna have our second and last class of the week. Okay, so to start, I'm going to share the screen because we're gonna have the second part of the topic we were talking on Monday. Okay, let me know when you're able to see the presentation, please. Can you see it?
Yo, profe.
Okay, so it says Unit 5, it's still about food, and it says, are you ready to order? Okay, so here we have another example of menu. Last class, we were talking about how to ask in a restaurant, like how to order your food, and how it's probably the waiter gonna talk to you, right? Okay, so we're gonna continue kind of with the same. This is gonna be a short class because we don't have that much material left. And as a reminder, guys, remember next week we're having on Monday the review, and then on Wednesday we're having the second evaluation, okay? So here it says, well, mini restaurant. Here we have, it is divided into 3 different menus, menu 1, menu 2, and menu 3. Okay, let's start. So it says, look at the menu. Which dishes would you like to try? What do you think is in today's special dishes? Okay, so here we have a menu, and if you see, for example, we have a starter, onion soup, melon, smoked salmon. Then in main course, what was the main course? Do you remember what was the main course? What is it? If I see in the menu main course, what is it? Enrique?
¿No eran como bocadillos o algo así?
No, that's the starter. The appetizer is what you said. The starter is like something like to start eating. And then the main course is el plato fuerte, right? Okay, so here we have in the main course roast lamb with mint sauce. What is lamb? Do you remember, guys? We were doing a practice with vocabulary with food like 2 weeks ago, I think. So what is the lamb? What is lamb? Do you remember? Ithai, do you remember what was lamb?
Can you repeat the question, teacher?
Of course. So it says in here that in the main course, the first dish, it says roast lamb with mint sauce. Okay, so if it says in here that it's roast lamb, how can I know what type of meat it is? What is lamb? Do you remember?
Es como un borrego, lamb.
Yeah. Okay, so then the first one is it's made of lamb, right? Then with the with lamb. Then the second is Thai chicken with noodles. So we have chicken here. Then the third one is fish. So we have lamb, we have chicken, and we have fish. And it says that it's fish of the day with fries or rice, served with seasonal vegetables. The seasonal vegetables or the rice or the fries are called the side dish. So we have the dish, which is the meat, and then the side dish is whatever is there next to the meat, right? Okay, then we have in the menu today's specials, but here it doesn't say the ingredients. It doesn't say what is in today's special. So it just says Chef's Sunday Special, Garden Delight, and a Spring Mix. And then, well, the last part of the menu are the desserts. We have an apple pie with ice cream, chocolate cake, fresh fruit, and well, this is just a note in here that says that all prices are in dollars and the service fee is not included, which means that it's gonna be a little bit more than the price mentioned here, like the taxes, right? Okay, So now it says in here, okay, well, first of all, what is missing in this menu? What do you think is missing in this menu? What should we add to this menu? What would you add to this menu? ¿Qué agregarían?
It could be dessert.
The desserts are in here, but for example, let's pretend that you are in a restaurant. You have your main course, you have the dessert. What is missing in this menu?
I had say desserts.
You say desserts, but here are the desserts. But I'm asking what is missing. ¿Qué hace falta en este menú?
Las bebidas.
Beverages, right? Okay, so the drinks or the beverages are missing. Can you give me examples of beverages?
Lemonade.
A lemonade, what else?
Beer.
Beer, okay. What else do you find in
Water,
a beverage?
soda.
Tell me, Enrique, I couldn't hear you, sorry.
Water, soda.
Water, and then we can find maybe soda or maybe wine, or it depends on the restaurant, right? Because not all of the restaurants are going to have the same menu for beverages. Okay, so now the question says, well, the first question, which dishes would you like to try? Okay, so let's pretend you are in the restaurant. So what would you ask? What would you order? Okay, I'm gonna ask several people here randomly. Let me see. Barbara, what would you order? If you were in this restaurant, what would you order?
¿Cómo, maestra? No entiendo.
What would you order? You are in this restaurant. What would you order? ¿Qué ordenarías? This is the menu. Yes? Bárbara? So Bárbara, you're not there? Okay, guys, it's very simple what I'm asking. You just have to answer, okay? Ana Gabriel, what would you order if you were in this restaurant? Okay, so whoever is not answering me, I'll have to take it out of the session, guys. I don't get to see you, so I don't actually know if you're here. So, Janet, what would you order if you are in this restaurant?
Pues el segundo, yo creo.
What is the second?
El main course, pues el pollo, yo creo.
Thai chicken, okay?
Sí.
Thank you. Melanie, what would you order?
Pues de cada una, profe, o nomás así
No.
una.
One.
Ah, ok, pues el main course ordenaría fish of the day with fries.
Okay, fish of the day with fries. Okay, very good. Now it says in here, because if you notice that today's specials, it doesn't say what is in today's special dishes, right? So it says, what do you think is in today's special dishes? O sea, ¿de qué creen que son hechos these special dishes? So let's go with the first one. Chef's Sunday special. Sabiel, what do you think is in today's, in the Chef's Sunday special?
¿Qué?
Huh?
¿Me puede repetir la pregunta, por favor?
What is in the Chef's Sunday special? What do you think is in the Chef's Sunday special?
Ahora en español, por favor.
Huh?
Ahora en español, por favor.
What is in? K-I-N. What is in the chef's Sunday special? What is it made of? ¿De qué está hecho?
No es de nieve.
¿Miel?
Nieve.
Oh, I don't know. Could be, right? I mean, we don't have right or wrong answers. No tenemos respuestas incorrectas because it's just like sharing. Okay, tell me, Andrea, what do you think is the chef's Sunday special made of?
¿Puede repetir otra vez, maestra, por favor?
Yes, what is in the chef's Sunday special? What is it made of? ¿De qué está hecho?
Golden Delight.
The chef's
Spring,
Sunday special.
spring mix.
No, but listen to my question. What do you think is the chef's Sunday special made of? ¿De qué crees que está hecho el chef's Sunday special?
Pues no sé, maestra, no especifica.
That's why, o sea, es por eso, o sea, es como que we have to imagine, we have to try to guess, tenemos que adivinar. So just like maybe I'm thinking that here we have lamb, if here we have chicken, if here we have fish, what is the meat we're missing? ¿Cuál es la carne que no se menciona? That is maybe made of that is maybe in the Chef Sunday special. Jessie, can you tell me what is the meat that I'm missing? ¿Cuál es la carne que no se menciona, que falta?
La carne que falta, pues, de la vaca.
Okay, beef, right? So maybe the Chef Sunday special is made with beef, right? Then we have Garden Delight. What comes to your mind when you hear Garden Delight? What do you think is in this dish? Garden Delight.
Como una ensalada.
Like a salad, right? Okay. And the spring mix? What about the spring mix? I just need one person. Don't talk all at the same time. What do you think is the spring mix made of?
Lettuce, tomato. Es como una ensalada, ¿no?
Also like a salad? Well, actually, the Garden Delight and the spring mix, they both sound like a salad. Probably the Garden Delight is like more green. It's greener. And the spring mix probably is with some strawberries or lime or something like that, right? Okay, and then for desserts, we have, well, we already mentioned them. Okay, let's go to the next slide. And it says in here, well, we already did this exercise. Ya lo hicimos, okay? I don't know if you still remember, we did it on Monday. Lo hicimos el lunes. So I'm gonna go then to the next one. So it says in here, listen and complete the short conversation. Put the words, put the correct word in the blanks. Okay, so here we have some of these words. There are like little mistakes. Let me just correct them. I'm gonna add them. There are words you're not gonna use. Okay, we're gonna listen to this audio like twice maybe. Vamos a escucharlo una vez just to get the conversation. Then we're gonna try to match them and then we're gonna listen again to see if we did it correctly.
Unit 5, recording S5.7. 1. Could I have an orange juice, please? 2.
Can we have a bottle of mineral water, please?
3.
I'd like some soup, please.
4. The same for me, please.
Okay. So one more time.
Unit 5. Recording S5.7. 1. Could I have an orange juice, please? 2.
Can we have a bottle of mineral water, please?
3.
I'd like some soup, please.
And the same for me. Okay, this one is just twice. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes for you to write down this conversation to complete it, okay? I want you to complete it. There are words you're not gonna use. Hay palabras que no van a usar. So complete this conversation according to what we heard, and then we're gonna listen to it to see if you answer it correctly, okay? This is the first thing you're gonna write to upload after class, okay? It's evidence. This is the first evidence. I'll give you 3 minutes.
Maestra, ¿la podría volver a poner, por favor?
Yes.
4. The same for me, please. Recording S5.7. 1. Could I have an orange juice, please? 2.
Can we have a bottle of mineral water, please?
3.
I'd like some soup, please.
4. The same for me, please.
Okay, now let's check your answers. Here in the first one. Could what?
I have.
Okay. Could I have? Very good. Could I have? Could I have an orange juice, please? Can?
We have a bottle of mineral water, please.
Very good. Can we have a bottle of mineral water, please? What could be another presentation we can ask for water? ¿En qué otra presentación podemos encontrar el agua? We find it in bottles and we find it in
A glass.
glass. Very good. Excellent. Okay, number 3.
I like some soup, please.
Very good. I'd like some soup. And the last one, the same for?
Me, please.
Me.
Excellent. The same for me. Okay, cool. This is the first evidence you are going to upload, okay? I'm gonna erase it to go to the next slide. So now it says, listen to the conversation in a fast food restaurant. What does the man order? Circle the correct answer. Okay, so in these 3 images, we have the same food, but in different presentations, right? We have a hamburger, which is the same size, but what is different is the fries. For example, here we have a large fries. Here we have medium, and here we have a small. Then here we have a soda, which is medium, I guess, too. Then we have a small soda, and then we have a large or a tall soda. And both, well, this one has just one straw, this one has two, and this one also has two. Okay, so we're gonna listen, and the only thing you have to do is to tell me which of the images is showing what the person is ordering, okay?
Unit 5. Recording S5.10.
Good afternoon. What can I get you?
The jackpot special, please.
Is that to eat in or take out?
Take out.
Large fries with that?
No, medium.
Something to drink?
Soda?
Small, medium, or large?
Small.
Anything else?
No thanks.
That'll be $9.95.
Okay.
Okay, guys, could you get the answer then?
B.
B, letter B, very good. Okay, so what was the keyword? What gave you the answer?
Por el
Las
refresco, chico.
Okay, because of the soda and the fries. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now it says activity. Okay, for example, before we go to the next slide, I don't know if you could understand or get that the person in the fast food restaurant asked, is it to eat? Is it for here, I guess, or eat in, like to eat it there, or to take out, like para llevar, right? So we can say to take out or to go, and both of them are good. So take out, para llevar, or to go, it is the same. Okay, now it says, order the scrambled letters and put them in the correct order. Okay, so this is vocabulary that we have already solved. Es vocabulario que ya vimos. So it is unscrambled. It is scrambled, sorry. We have to unscramble them. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes for you to unscramble these words, and then we're gonna share them here, okay? So this is also an activity you will have to add to your evidences. Hay que descifrar the words that are hidden. Finished? Are you done? Did you finish? Finish, guys?
No, profe.
Yo aún no, maestra.
Yo tampoco.
Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, let's start sharing. The first one, what is the first option we have in here, guys?
Menu. Menu.
Very good, menu. Number 2,
Dish.
Dish.
excellent, dish. Number 3,
Chef.
Chef.
chef, good job. Next,
Bill.
Bill.
bill, which is the same as a check, right? Remember, we can ask for the bill or we can ask for the check and it is the same. Next one,
Order.
order, very good. Then
Tip.
tip, which is the extra money we give to the waiter or waitress. This one,
Waiter.
waiter, very good. Waiter is for male, for man, and waitress is not in here, but well, I just do add it. Waitress is for woman, for women, right? Okay, next.
Meal.
Meal, and this one is what we eat around noon in the early afternoon, right? Temprano por la tarde. Okay, next.
Drink.
Drink, very good. Next,
Take out.
take out, very good, which is the same as to go. Next,
Freeze.
fries, right? And this is referred to the French fries, para los papas fritas, fries. And the last one, you don't get it? Okay, it's fee. It is the money added to your total amount, right? Lo que se te cobra como impuestos or something like that. Here in Mexico, it's not that common, but in the United States, everything has a fee. Okay, I will erase it. This is something also that you're gonna to upload, okay? Questions about this? No?
No, maestra.
Thank you. Okay, so these are, it says in here, ordering in a restaurant, continuing with the same topic. Here are ways we can ask something in a restaurant, right? Could I have a glass of water, please? Can I have some vegetable, please? I like soup, please. Okay, here we have 2 questions, and these 2 questions, even though they're questions, these are 2 ways of ordering. And then I have just an affirmative sentence, which is like the one that is asking for the food only, not, well, the 3 of them are ordering actually. Las 3 son formas de ordenar. También agregaría aquí la que estuvimos viendo on Monday, which was I'll have. So, could I have a glass of water? Can I have some vegetable? I'd like soup, or I'll have soup. Estas son expresiones that help me to order in a restaurant, right? And then the answers we can receive are yes, of course, yes, certainly, maybe sure, or if they don't have what you're asking or what you're ordering, they're gonna say, I'm sorry. They're gonna first apologize, se van a disculpar. They're gonna say, I'm sorry, we don't have any soup, or we're out of soup, for example, de que ya se acabó. Okay, now. Okay, before I explain this, I'm gonna stop sharing to go to, give me a minute. Okay, I can make it big. I'm gonna take attendance real quick because I'm viviendo left. Entonces, a lo que carga voy a tomar lista. Ok, Acosta Robles,
Presente.
Aguilar Ordóñez,
Presente.
Ahumada Bartolini, Armenta Cota,
Presente.
Barrios Calderón, Borges Mada,
Presente.
Cano Escalante,
Presente.
Castilla Arias,
Presente.
Encina Cibrián, Janet Castañedos, Gallegos Castañeda. ¿No? Ok, García Medina,
Presente.
García Romero,
Presente.
Ibarra Santos,
Presente.
Jiménez Garrobo, Maldonado Galvez,
Presente.
Matos Castañeda,
Presente.
Noriega Sánchez,
Presente.
Peña Vega,
Presente.
Romero Aguirre,
Presente.
Rubal Romero,
Presente.
Siqueiros Ochoa,
Presente.
Soto García,
Presente.
Verduzco Martínez, Vega Padilla y Villela Moreno. Ok,
Maestra, a mí sí me puso. No sé si se escuchó.
¿quién eres?
Encinas.
No te había puesto, ya te puse, no te escuchaste. Ok. Here we go. Ok, no me carga, lo voy a dejar para después. Voy a compartirles otra vez aquí donde estábamos. Ok, so here we were. Me queda menos de, un minuto. Les voy a explicar lo que van a tener, o sea, lo que van a agregar a sus evidencias, ok? So I'm gonna open a space. Les voy a abrir un espacio para que suban lo que hicimos ahorita y suban esto. ¿Qué van a hacer? Restaurant or fast food restaurant. Watch the two videos and pay attention to the phrases. O sea, van a ver estos dos videos. One is in a normal restaurant and the other is in a fast food restaurant. Ok, después de verlos, dice, according to the videos, put the following phrases and questions where they correspond. Van a colocar estas preguntas si fueron dichas en el restaurant or in the fast food restaurant, ¿ok? It says in here, you can repeat phrases if needed. O sea, pueden repetir algunas frases si de ser necesario, right? Pueden poner ya sea la misma aquí, la misma acá, si se dijeron en ambos, ¿ok? So, watch the videos and answer this exercise. De acuerdo a lo que se diga en el video. Is it clear? Voy a subir la presentación en Classroom y les voy a abrir el espacio para que lo puedan subir. Hay que anexar las actividades que hicimos aquí en clase, más ese. ¿Ok?
¿Nos puede pasar los links, profe, por aquí?
Voy a subir la presentación y ahí vienen los links.
Ok, gracias.
¿Ok? Bueno. Thank you guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye.
Buen día,
Bye,
profe.
teacher.
Gracias, profe. Buen día.